global phenomenon. It's truly limitless. That's why, in this segment, we gathered some of the most mind-blowing, real-life Minecraft DIY builds from around the globe. First up, look at this intricate papercraft creeper coming to life. The precision, the patience, transforming flat sheets into a recognizable icon. Imagine the sheer dedication. It just shows how a simple design can become a tactile work of art. Get ready to see papercraft, get a whole new level of interactivity. Check the amazing world of magnetic papercraft, bringing a crucial Minecraft structure to life, the blacksmith's forge. This guy crafted at home a great build and detailed model. This requires a whole different level of patience and skill. It's not just a model. And now, for the real boss, the Ender Dragon. Here are more examples of real people building real-life Minecraft models. An amazing creation of a Minecraft frog. But why settle for just animals when you can build an entire village? Get ready for a complete diorama of a Minecraft village house. Every block, every detail, assembled one by hand. It's just insane to see the precision and dedication required to build something like this. Wow, what a pro! Can you believe this? Watch as the village takes shape. Each block panel snaps together with a satisfying click. This isn't just a static model, it's modular. What a stunning craft! Imagine being able to reconfigure your own entire Minecraft village. How cool is that? A fully functional papercraft mineshaft and minecart. It's incredible how you can recreate those vast underground worlds with just paper, glue, and a lot of passion. Imagine building an entire network of these, creating your own real-life Minecraft railway system. It's a global phenomenon. It's truly limitless. We gathered some of the most mind-blowing, real-life Minecraft DIY builds from around the globe. And here is incredible, handcrafted clay building, epic Minecraft-style treehouse, all out of clay. Alright builders, for our featured build of the day, we're creating a real-life Minecraft treehouse. We're going to use wood, carton, and other home materials. Let's see how easy it can be. Look at that. With just a few touches, we have a stunning treehouse design to work with. It's that simple. Break it down step by step. Grab your materials. You'll need wood panels, rope lights, and some cool decorations. Start with the base. Just like in Minecraft, we need a solid foundation. Lay down the floor with wood panels. Build up the walls. Don't forget those windows. Let in some natural light, just like a sunny Minecraft day. Add fun features. How about a rope swing and some colourful lights? This treehouse is going to be the coolest hangout spot. What build should we tackle next? Comment below your dream Minecraft build. From homes with secret passages to fantastic farms, the possibilities are endless. If this episode fired up your creative spark, then hit that like button with the force of a diamond pickaxe. It really helps us reach more amazing builders like you. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Real Life Minecraft so you don't miss a single blockbusting adventure.